Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about focus and talent. Focus beats talent. Talent helps. Focus decides results. Many people have ability, few people protect attention. Distraction breaks progress. Focus builds momentum. Phones interrupt thinking. Noise reduces clarity. Multitasking slows performance. One task done well beats many tasks done badly. If you are young, train focus early. Limit distractions. Choose one priority. Finish before starting something new. 30 minutes of deep focus beats 3 hours of broken attention. Protect your focus. Direct your energy. Focus beats talent. Thank you so much for giving your most valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.